How to disable restricted mode on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off content filtering to see all available videos. First, open the YouTube app on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on General. In the next step, look for restricted mode within this menu. Following this, toggle it off. Once done, this removes filtering, allowing mature or age-restricted content to appear in search and recommendations again. From here, keep in mind if this toggle appears grayed out or locked, it may have been enabled by a network administrator or a linked family setting. At this stage, in that case, you'd need to check with whoever manages that account or network to disable it fully. Keep in mind, restricted mode is separate from age restrictions on individual videos, so some content may still require sign-in or age verification even with this mode off. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've confirmed restricted mode is turned off. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable restricted mode on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.